Hello everybody, I figured I'd do an update on my garden and just ignore my tall grass. Once my dental work's healed, I'll have to tackle it. Or well, not completely healed, but better. My corn stalks are getting pretty big. I've seen bigger ones on Facebook though, other people's gardens. I don't know if it ain't got enough nutrients or I started it later than others, but look at all the cucumber blooms. And that one, you know, I planted a lot of seeds because, you know, in case they all didn't germinate. And so the extras I transplanted there, so that one's a little behind. Squash didn't come up. I used old seeds though. I didn't know that old seeds wouldn't come up. I guess I didn't store them right. And let me get over this way. Let me show you my tomatoes. Look at that. They've been green forever. And I like fried green tomatoes, but I want a fresh red one too. And that one's finally getting blooms. You know, I guess that specific kind comes in later. And here's my bell pepper. It had some blooms, but I don't know. That may be little peppers there, I don't know. And my little, like tomato tomatoes. I forget what it's called, but this fell over, so I had to get that cage and set it up. I didn't know he'd get so heavy and fall over. And I've got some green beans out already. And that row of green beans, that's some I transplanted that were extras, so they're a little bit stunted, but it makes such pretty blooms. Ain't that pretty? So now I know I need to plant more green beans because you know, I get like a little bitty handful and I don't really know a lot about storing them and I don't want to go to all that trouble to blanch them and everything. So I'll figure something out. And this is a flower I just put there because it'll get roots on the stems. So I planted it in the dirt, put the mulch on it where it'll get roots and I can make separate plants. And I never did add more mulch, probably needed to, but. And in this pool, I got some lettuce coming up. And it looks like there's a few other things finally coming up. That one is weeds. It didn't drain good enough and it would just get full of water, so yeah, that one didn't work. But you live and you learn. That's what I'm doing, I'm learning. Mom and Daddy done this all the time, but you know, I didn't pay enough attention. And my lettuce through here, a lot of the seeds got washed away with heavy rains. And I don't know if that's weeds coming up or lettuce. You know, I got some good lettuce in that pool, so. And right there, I don't really, now right here, that's lettuce coming up. So I'll have a little bit of lettuce, and there's some green onions. And my okra, what did come up a bit, it got eaten by some kind of insect, so I won't have no okra. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, and hopefully I won't be eating weeds thinking it's lettuce. But kind of excited about it. And look how big this one stalk is compared to the others. It's actually starting to look like corn. But anyway, I hope y'all have a good day. Bye, y'all.